Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life plus in your studies also. So today in this video I am going to discuss about a very important topic, which is how to deal with negative thoughts while studying. Okay, but before proceeding with the video I would like to inform you about an offer which is going on right now on Guidely. So right now they are providing their grand bundle PDF course along with their mock test in one subscription. So in the grand bundle PDF course subscription you will get the access to all the mock test for free. Okay, and if you apply my code then you will get extra 12% discounts also. The links will be given in the description. And for current affairs, if you are planning to buy AffairsCloud, then the link of AffairsCloud also will be given in the description, and by using my code you will get 10% discount on AffairsCloud. Now I am going to discuss the video. So what happens is, whenever we are trying to study, like it happens when we are trying to study some things, like we are studying the editorial, then we are studying current affairs. So these things happen at that time, because when we are solving the quants or like some puzzles or DIs, then we are fully focused in that process. But whenever we are trying to study anything, so negative thoughts keep running in our mind. And why this happens? It happens because of some pressure which we have on our mind to clear the examination. Okay, so it can be of many types, like you are preparing for the examinations while your friends are getting a job, or like you have some family pressure. Some girls can also have some marital pressure from their family. So there are different kinds of situation, and we feel ourselves burdened, like we feel a pressure that we have to clear this examination at this time. This is our last attempt and we have to clear this. When you start pressurizing your mind na, then it starts thinking negatively. Whenever you are trying to study, there is some sense of fear even in your mind. If you think that this is my last attempt, so you are not able to perform 100%. Okay, I hope you can relate with this, because it happens like 90 to 95% of the aspirants. And because the people who prepare for the government jobs are from the middle class families, and it is normal to think like that. Okay, so the first thing I would like to tell you to help this is that whenever you are feeling these things, so what you have to do is, you have to just reorganize your thoughts. Just take a deep breath and say that I have to focus on this thing. If I do not focus, then I will surely lose this opportunity. Okay, like if it is your last attempt and there is some fear going on, some pressure is going on your mind, then it is not going to help. Try to think practically that it is not going to help if I keep feeling the pressure, and if I am not able to perform my 100%, then what is the sense of the pressure? Okay, so try to mm, keep your mind free and try to focus. Okay, try to think practically that I am wasting my time because of this pressure. Okay, and it is not going to help me 1%. And in the real examination also, your mind will have so much pressure that you will not be able to perform. Okay, so try to bring some confidence, and for this you can try out meditation also. So whenever we do meditation, it just silence our thoughts, and we just, we are very focused and we become very calm after meditation. So I would suggest you to do meditation. Then the second thing is that you can take a short break. Okay, like whenever lots of thoughts come in your mind, then you can take a short break or you can take a short nap. It is also going to help. But please do not pressurize yourself. Okay, it is not going to help. Then the other thing is that try to think why you are getting feared. Why? You do not have anything. We fear when we have something to lose, but you do not have anything to lose. Okay, so what if we do not, try to think that what if I do not get a job, then my life will be like as it is now. Okay, it is not going to change. Like it will be the same. I will go through the same process again, and if it is my last attempt, then it is not the end of my life. I will try something else. Okay, so you do not have anything to lose. You do not have any job or anything which you will lose if you do not pass the examination. So there is some extra pressure on your mind, like it is psychological pressure which you are creating, but you do not have to do that. And the other thing is that whenever we study for like 20 to 25 minutes very productively, then what happens is that we start daydreaming. We start thinking like what I will do after getting a job, how I will go to the office, like what things I like. We keep daydreaming about the job, and we just skip the process, and we just start feeling like we have already got a job. Okay. And I suggest you that do not get connected so much with anything unless it is yours. Okay, do not get connected, because by chance if you do not clear the examination, and when those dreams will break, then it is going to hurt you a lot. Just try to focus on performing, just try to focus on attempting your best. Okay, just try to focus that yes, I am going to give my 100% irrespective of if it is my last attempt or like what kind of pressure. I will think practically, and I am just going to give my 100% to this examination. Do not go beyond that. Just stay till the process of examination. Like if you have pre ahead, then try to think that yes, I'm going to give my 100% in the prelims. After that there is mains. Okay, so try to give your 100% in the mains also, so that you do not have to regret later. Okay, do not think that I will get a job, like my interview will go like this. No, you don't have to do that. You will get extra time to prepare for the interview if you clear the examination, but right now you have to focus on the process which is going to be next. Okay, so do not daydream and do not feel any pressure. This is not going to help you. Okay, just try to think practically, and try to think that yes, I have these 2 months and I am going to give my best. Okay, so that is all I wanted to discuss in this video. And if you have any other suggestions regarding this problem, because this is the common problem which through which we all go. Okay, I also struggle with these thoughts, and I know that you also go through this. Okay, so if you have any suggestions, then please try to write in the comment section, so that the other aspirants can read them and they can get help. Okay, so your suggestions are welcome, and that is all for this video. And please write that if you want me to make other videos related to this stuff, then I will try to make it. Okay, so that is all for this video. Thank you, and I wish you all the best for the upcoming examinations. Thank you.